Thanks for joining me for this design demo from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. I'm Vonda Lefevre, and our project today is using the color palette from the Warm Reflections line. Gorgeous, soft colors, and we're using it in this geometric container. What we're going to start with is our silver dollar eucalyptus, because this is going to kind of outline this vertical design we're putting together. So as you can see, it's kind of flowing, and it just kind of outlines that look that we're coming up with in this design. Next, we're going to place our feature flowers, which in this case are this wild peony. Beautiful size and shape to the design, and we're going to really outline the height in the second, and we're going to use the other wild peony. We're going to bring that down to the base, because that really brings our eye down into the whole look of the design. The beautiful hydrangea, I'm going to add to each side to balance the color of this. It's kind of bringing the whole thing together. And we have the garden rose in the deep color. We have to be careful on the placement when we're using the deep colors, because it really can be detracting if the placement is not correct. So in this, it's bringing our eye towards the center of the design without detracting from what we're working on here. We're adding now the parchment color, which is part of this collection. And the parchment color then helps lighten up the coloration of the design. And we have the dark warm colors, but this is even a warm creamy color, which really adds to the whole look that we have going. So here we have the beautiful vertical look in the warm reflection coloration. It can be done just like this, or you might want to add a little of the cork ribbon. Beautiful accent that we could add to this that really complements the container and adds that textural element if you'd like to put that addition in as well, depending on the location that you're going to use that centerpiece. So, thanks for joining me for this design demo from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale.